is your dessert. Bon appetit.
Why do you get an extra scoop of ice cream when we paid the same price? You're really running around Lincoln City every day, doing heroic deeds. And have you experienced something similar before? And if the bad guys happen to be more experienced than you are, I'll bet all you can do is scare away low-level wanderers. If you're done with your ice cream, let's go. It's late. I'll walk you home. Didn't you just say I don't care about people around me? I'll care about the people around me from now on, starting with you. Come to think of it, the bad guys are looking for an easy target, and you tick all the boxes. A young woman living alone who often goes out at night with an irregular work schedule. Having an extra pair of eyes will help you identify suspicious activities. Let's follow the route you take every day back home. Who knows? We might find something.
Fried buns, don't miss out. 10 per box. Get 50% off the second box.
Try the juiciest apples in Lincoln. We have everything from strawberries to mangoes to kiwi fruit.
This road is dangerous indeed. I'm surprised you managed to get home safely. It can't be easy. It's pretty good. Then hold your own bags. All right, go in already. We didn't notice anything along the way today, but you can't let your guard down. I'll come have a look again tomorrow. You might not be able to finish this, so I'll help you with this bag of sweet chestnuts.
Please come again.
You visited 3 dessert shops, 2 fruit stands, and 1 convenience store on average per day for the past 3 days. Your route is so complicated. If I were stalking you, I'd have given up long ago. Shh! Look over there. Is someone watching us?
You! Stop right there! My savior! Finally, I found you!
Huh?
It was you who saved me from a wanderer nearby.
You hunters are an elusive bunch, so he's been waiting nearby for you to show up to thank you in person. All hunters wear similar-looking uniforms, so he wasn't sure who is who. That's why he's been watching you. Huh, I see. beautiful, kind soul. Who could this be referring to? No need. I've been getting too much food these past few days. Go on in. I'll wait till you go up.
I'm fine. Thank you.
Tell me, who is that guy you've been hanging out with lately? You've been dropping hints at me so often. Why would you date another man? You've been playing hard to get for so long, but I'll forgive you. I know, you want to be my girl. Ow! Who? Damn! Who is it? Come out, face it!
Who said you could touch her? I know you must be so eager to thank me, but let's save that for later. A taser? Great. I'll give him something to taser.
Who are you?
I've been staying with her these past few days, and we've been sharing everything. Isn't it obvious what our relationship is?
You're lying. She loves me. Stop meddling in our business.
Oh? And how are you going to prove that?
She gives me suggestive looks every time she buys stuff at my store.
Maybe she just has twitchy eyelids.
She smiled at me.
She smiles at me on a daily basis, and she throws in her teeth when she smiles. Imagine living in such nonsensical fantasies with your head so far up your butt. You don't need to act tough. No one said you couldn't. Can you still walk? Do you need my help? Oh, well, I'll lend you my strength for a while longer, being the kind person that I am. Beggars can't be choosers. I'd rather carry you because I don't like giving piggyback rides. I'd look like a sea turtle.
Look, Mom. What are they doing? Shh. Don't interrupt their date.
Turns out his evil is inconspicuousness. No wonder we never noticed anything. It was raining, and I didn't have an umbrella, so I came back to borrow one. I happened to have forgotten my wallet when I left my house today. And you? Why did you rush out of your home in the middle of the night when it's raining outside? Let's go then. We have a stormy night ahead of us. It's the ideal time for a stroll.